Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video will be starting a new build series. Yes, you heard it. I said build series. Yeah, the new build series will be yeah, will be I can't think of it. Well, too. Listen to this. If I say something, oh, the other one said it. Anyway, yeah, the build series will be called Site 61. Yeah, this is the 05 council office if you want to play. 05. I think it's that. No, it's 3 at the end. I'm gonna build something in this room. If you wanna add me, that's my username. Pause it quick if you wanna add it. But in today's episode, we'll be making. Bro, get off. We'll be building heavy entertainment zone. We'll be making it. I'm finna be making heavy entertainment zone section 1. Give me one of the 05 cards. I don't need many. Boom. Actually, I think I want the gray ones. I need. Oh my god, that's a good roof. Not that one though. And also, I'm going to be doing role plays here. If you want to join, feel free. So, the shulker boxes are the ones. Don't ask about that. Not sure why I still have it, but I'll keep it. Anyways, the ones, Class D. I'll show you what's in Class D, okay? First, in Class D, you get a level 0 card. Boom, boom, boom. So, then 05 is just boom, 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 boom. And then the GOC, I'll show you those later. Show you the rest later. Anyways, if you're running with the armor, they're just reskins. 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 Reskins of everything. Bruh, stop. Anyways, I can't use the guns, sadly. Because look. The guns are kind of broken, I guess. But, whatever. I guess we could finish the entertainment zone today. If you can't hear me, that's my apology. But, yeah. If you're new to the channel, welcome. What I was talking about. You can add me. Okay, so I'm gonna make it like this. I want to make it like that intersection in SCP. You know the intersection, right? Yeah, most of you will probably not know. If you would probably add me. Like if you were on mobile, it's gonna be going like this. What do you mean? Not like it's necessarily not gonna be going like this. Come on. Well, I'll see you next episode. Bye. Bruh.